This article addresses the need to convert HEIC to the widely compatible PDF format for seamless sharing and accessibility on Windows and Android devices, exploring various methods, including online tools and offline software. It provides insights into efficiently converting HEIC to PDF. Part 2. How to convert HEIC to PDF online. 1. Cloud Convert. Cloud Convert offers a free online solution for converting multiple HEIC files to PDF. The service allows the conversion of up to 25 HEIC images daily. 2. Zamzar. Presently, Zamzar stands out as a reliable and widely utilized HEIC to PDF converter available online, offering a swift and straightforward conversion process that gets the job done efficiently. 3. FreeConvert. FreeConvert offers a complimentary online solution for converting HEIC files to PDF. However, for users seeking to bypass limits such as file size, the number of conversions, and advertisements, a paid plan is available. Part 3. How to convert from HEIC to PDF on Windows. Launch Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Click on the File button and select Save As. Choose the Save as JPEG and click Run to initiate the conversion. Open Adobe Reader, click on File, then Open, and locate the converted JPEG image. Navigate to the Enhance Scans option in the right panel and select the desired image for conversion. Choose Select a File and click Start. Click the Save button and designate the location to save your newly created PDF file. Part 4. How to convert HEIC to PDF on Mac. Given that HEIC is an Apple-created image format, it seamlessly integrates with Apple devices, making the conversion and merging of HEIC images into PDF a straightforward process. Part 5. How to change HEIC to PDF on Windows and Mac. Mobikin HEIC to JPG converter utility is a robust tool that requires installation on your PC, providing versatility for both single file and batch conversions from HEIC to JPG, JPEGN. How to change HEIC to PDF on Windows and Mac computer via Mobikin HEIC to JPG converter. Step 1. Run the HEIC converter. Step 2. Set the output format. Step 3. Convert HEIC files instantly. Step 4. Save converted images as PDF.